Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Malibu. Stock number is A7871. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.